Exploring the taste sensation, a burst of flavors. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a deliciously descriptive phrase that's often used in culinary conversations. A burst of flavors. This expression paints a vivid picture of the experience one has when tasting something exceptionally flavorful. Let's unpack its meaning, usage, and how it can enhance your English vocabulary, especially if you're passionate about food and cooking. A burst of flavors is a metaphorical expression used to describe the intense, diverse, and often surprising experience of taste that occurs when you eat something. The word burst suggests a sudden release or explosion, implying that the flavors are so rich and abundant that they seem to explode in your mouth. This phrase is commonly used to describe foods or dishes that offer a complex and satisfying taste experience, often combining multiple flavors that complement each other beautifully. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations about food to professional culinary reviews. Here are some examples. Describing a dish at a restaurant. The dish was a burst of flavors, with the sweetness of the mango salsa perfectly balancing the spiciness of the jerk chicken. Writing a food review or blog. Each bite of the chocolate lava cake was a burst of flavors, with the rich, molten chocolate center contrasting wonderfully with the vanilla ice cream. Using this phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also allows you to convey the depth of your culinary experiences in a vivid and engaging way. Understanding and using expressions like a burst of flavors can significantly enhance your English communication, especially in contexts related to food and dining. It reflects a sophisticated level of language proficiency and can make conversations more descriptive and engaging. For learners and enthusiasts of the English language, mastering such phrases can also boost confidence in using the language in social and professional settings. We hope this exploration into a burst of flavors has enriched your understanding and appreciation of English culinary vocabulary. This phrase is a testament to the language's ability to capture the essence of our sensory experiences in a few words. Next time you encounter a dish that delights your palate in unexpected ways, you'll have the perfect phrase to describe your experience. Thank you for joining us, and happy tasting!